guys, so we just pulled up the Reklez. He came by to drop off the battery, and while we're here, we're gonna go ahead and see what kind of updates we have on the trunk. So let's go. Came by to drop off that battery.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, where's it? What's up, man?
Hey, everyone. Got some tires for sale. Someone wants to buy them. 295, 25, 28, some line marks. All this is like the engine right here, no?
Yeah, the rim was all the way sticking out. It was buck tooth or something.
Straight.
Way better. And it's in the the exact same size. Yeah, the brand is a big difference. How it stretches. Provide you with this too. See how thin that is?
What's this for?
That's to hold the upper corner of the mounts.
It's a cheetah bark cook. Yeah, that's what it is.
So, and that is thin, but it works by the way. We just like to provide a little bit thicker.
This is how you adjust the stiffness. You want it a little bit more stiffer, turn the knob. You want it a little bit more firm, turn it the other way. Wanted to see about bagging the front.
Okay, get you some numbers on that?
Yeah.
But you still want it for that date, right? But you just want the quote?
Right, just
okay,
the
so
quote.
we're still staying on the
right,
same
right.
Right. Cool.
It'll just be something that I'll consider, and then if I go ahead and do it, then of course we'll bring it back some other time.
Sure.
I wonder whatever happened to that crew, grassroots turkey.
I think they're still in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
I hadn't heard from them in a long time.
That's the upper arms, lower arms, bags, lines, compressor, tank, also your switches, everything working. If you do decide on that, then I would just stick to what we're doing right now with just a drop, so we don't create more of an expense on this side.
Yep.
When you're just gonna go to this side. So it just kind of like, just keep this side very small, man, as tight as we can. It might not be the drop that you want, but we know where we're headed. So I try to tell that to a lot of people, like, guide them, man, look, don't double spin. You don't want to ever do that.
Yeah.
If you really want to do the bags, you're not going to regret it, first of all. Second of all, it's just a lot more fun to spend the money getting it bagged than just doing more drop.
Okay.
Man. If that's your goal. Some people, like I told you, there's people that, man, it don't matter what I tell them they ain't
That's
gonna bag
what
nothing. Yeah, they're gonna just do static drop, and that's all they want.
Yeah.
So that's cool with them too.
And what's the turnaround time?
Because yours is so fast like that, man. That would probably be 2 weeks at the most, because it would already be ready, man.
Yeah.
That to me is like our dream job. It's already firewalls, already tubs, it's already relocated, it's already everything. We're literally just going there, take all that stuff off, clean the whole frame again, and then start building our arms, start building our stuff, and that's it. But I would need the factory spindles.
Okay.
Yeah, so don't throw that stuff away. Because I know you're throwing a lot of stuff away, but the spindles, I do need those, because those are part of the kit to help us do that stuff. So
Okay.
I would need that set. Yeah.
So let's keep those.
Yeah, I'll make sure, I'll make a note, and I'll tell my guys.
Let's keep
Yeah.
those. They may be in the works for later this year.
Yeah, I mean, I want to, and that's one of the things that I want to do, and I don't have any information on that front kit for that one, so I haven't posted anything. I don't even have it available for sale or any of that stuff. So definitely something that I want to be pushing.
Okay.
So
Cool.
Respirators, dog.
Respirators for what?
Camp suits, coronavirus.
Coronavirus. Got the plug right here. Hit us up. Got respirators, got Kim suits. What you need, hit us up. Coronavirus 2020. That's what coronavirus does.
Ground Zero meet tonight. Doing it for Big Lips, Wide Hips. Want to see what's good. My Malona stand though.
Shit's trash.
Ryan Camaro's great on one more Camaro. Let's see what's good. Trying to get rid of some of the heat soak. Big Lips, Wide Hips, baby. Let's go. Rodeo event canceled. La pinche fucking coronavirus. I got the coronavirus. What's going on, guys? We're out here at where are we at? Fairland. We're at the Houston Underground Races Ground Zero meet. We're out here on the part of Santos. Santos couldn't make it. He has to work early in the morning. God forbid he goes to work tired, but
we holding it down.
We're holding it down out here. Big Lips, Wide Hips. You already know what it is.
How you gonna fucking do
60.
your hood but not your bumper?
Hey, that's for crowds. Swallow problems right here.
That's my dream truck right there.
What, this OBS right here?
Yeah.
Bitch is bad. That's a fast intake right there. It's bad, bro. Little pinche V8. Got boost. I spot something. Qué belleza. Man, this is fucking OG Taquache style, bro. This is no games played right here. With the bench seat, leather wrap. Oof.
Oh, he ain't got the chain steering wheel.
With the bottles in the back, yeah, he definitely needs that chain steering wheel. Doghouse.
The thing on his shifter knob, I have like 5 of those at my house.
That's AutoZone special.
No.
That's the whole.
That's when you're trying to taquachar on the weekends. It don't go right. Stay Sancho chilling. Hey, look, here's the Z01 lid, a hood. Hey, this is the hood. Though I don't like the way it looks. That's that Pearland flea market shit, bro. 100%. This truck is clean, man. This truck right here. God damn, Santos, what did you do? Got rid of the new body style. That's all right. We got La Pewter. Man, this bitch is bad, bro. Little intro. Yeah, need more low on the front and the back. Bitch.
Hey guys, so I just got home from Reklez. I'm really stoked with the progress that Julio and his guys have done thus far with the truck. I also want to thank them for giving us the opportunity to go in there and film while they're working. There's a lot of shops that won't do that. I understand that's their place of work, but Julio and his guys have given us the opportunity, so we really appreciate that. Whenever we went up there a couple weeks ago, I mentioned that I had just started a YouTube channel, and if possible, I wanted to go up there and film some type of progress of the truck. I was kind of expecting him to tell me no, because again, that's their place of work, and I didn't want to feel like I was going to be in their way, but he was up for it. He said, yeah, man, let's do it. He also has a YouTube channel, Reklez Suspension, so if you haven't checked them out, if you're looking for a place to do some suspension work where you know they're going to take care of your vehicle exactly the way that you would take care of it, then there's nowhere else you should take it but to Reklez. Julio and his guys are going to take care of you. They pay attention to detail. He's not paying me to say this. Just by us going up there, we're able to see the quality of work, the attention to detail they put into their builds, and I strongly recommend you guys take your vehicles up there if you're in the Houston area and you're looking for someone to do some suspension work on your truck. So as you guys saw, I'm considering bagging the front of the truck. In the back, I won't ever bag it. Quote me on that. In the back, I'll stay coilovers on this truck. But it's just having that luxury of being able to go as low as you want. In the back with the coilovers, I can pretty much, you guys heard Julio, go as low to the ground as I want. And in the front, well, I don't have that luxury, right? If I would want to go lower, if I stay static, then I would have to go back to the shop time and time again and have them readjust my suspension. Versus being bagged on the front, then I have that luxury of being able to go up and down as much as I want. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Should I just stay static all the way around, or would you guys like to see keep the coilovers on the back but bag it on the front? Let me know what you guys think. Hey guys, so as promised, it's giveaway time. We're doing this giveaway for reaching 1,000 subscribers. We're gonna be giving away 2 pairs of DS18s, the 6.5s. I'm fixing to attach a picture of what they look like. So to enter the giveaway, subscribe if you haven't already done so. Follow me on Instagram and tag 3 people. You can enter as many times as you want as long as you don't tag the same person more than once. We will go live tonight, March the 22nd, and it'll run through March the 29th, the following Sunday. The winner will be announced March 31st on my Instagram live at 7:30 p.m. Central Time. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. Follow me on Instagram, and remember, tag 3 people. You can enter multiple times as long as you don't tag the same person more than once. Thank you guys again for the support. Good luck, and see you on the next one.